leakage cause and judgment of acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump. 1. Acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump leakage. During installation static test, after the mechanical seal is installed and debugged, it is generally necessary to conduct static test and observe the leakage. If the leakage is small, most of them are moving ring or stationary ring, and the sealing ring has problems. 2. When acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump leakage is large, it indicates that there is a problem between the dynamic and static ring friction pairs. 3. On the basis of preliminary observation of acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump leakage and judgment of the leakage position, manually turn and observe. If there is no obvious change in the leakage, there is a problem with the static and dynamic ring seals. 4. If acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump leakage medium is spread along the axial direction, the moving ring sealing ring has most problems. If the leakage medium is sprayed around or leaked from the water cooling hole, the static ring sealing ring is mostly invalid. 5. In addition, leakage channels can also exist at the same time, but there are generally primary and secondary differences. As long as you observe carefully and are familiar with the structure, you can make a correct judgment. The above is about the leakage causes and judgment methods of acid and alkali-resistant vertical pump. If you have any doubts, please contact us and we will serve you wholeheartedly.